Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create Instagram posts. First, open Canva and navigate to the social media section, then select Instagram post. This ensures your design is perfectly sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels, or a 1:1 aspect ratio. You can then browse through thousands of professionally designed templates or begin with a completely blank canvas to unleash your creativity. It's a fantastic starting point for any visual content. Now, let's dive into designing your post. Once you've selected a template, you can easily customize every element. Change the background color, experiment with different fonts, and swap out images to match your vision. Canva offers a vast library of stock photos, or you can upload your own. Remember to keep your brand's aesthetic in mind, using consistent colors and fonts for a cohesive look across all your posts. Next, let's enrich your design with elements and text. Canva provides a rich collection of graphic elements, including shapes, icons, and illustrations, to add visual interest. Drag and drop them onto your canvas and resize as needed. When adding text, choose a clear font, adjust its size and color, and ensure it's perfectly aligned. You can even apply cool text effects or subtle animations to make your message truly pop and engage your audience. Finally, it's time to finalize and export your masterpiece. Take a moment to review your entire design, checking for any typos, alignment issues, or last-minute tweaks. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button and choose Download. Select a high-quality format like PNG for the best resolution or JPG for smaller file sizes. You can then directly schedule your post to Instagram or download it to upload manually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.